A Blackout Bingo server error on launch usually means the app cannot establish a connection with its online service, so reinstalling the app immediately is not always the right first step. By the end, you'll know how to separate a connection problem from an app problem, and which fixes to try before risking your save game data. First, check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, open another app or website, and confirm that it loads normally. If other services also fail, restart your router or switch to mobile data. If Blackout Bingo works on mobile data but not Wi-Fi, the problem is likely connected to the network rather than the game installation. If you're already on mobile data, temporarily switch to Wi-Fi and test Blackout Bingo again. This simple comparison tells you whether the error follows the app or the connection. Next, completely close Blackout Bingo and open it again. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Blackout Bingo away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the app away. Then launch it again. If the server error continues, check whether Blackout Bingo has an available update. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Blackout Bingo, and check whether an update button appears. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account icon, and check the available updates. Install the update if one is listed, then reopen the game. The next step is restarting your phone. A full restart can clear temporary network or app processes that remain active after the game closes. If Blackout Bingo still shows the server error, avoid repeatedly reinstalling it. First, make sure your account is connected to a supported login method, and that your progress is associated with that account. On Android, you can also clear Blackout Bingo's cache through Settings, Apps, Blackout Bingo, Storage, and Clear Cache if your device provides that option. Do not choose Clear Data unless you understand that it can remove locally stored app information. If the same server error appears after trying a different network, restarting the phone, and installing the latest available update, the problem may be on Blackout Bingo's service side. In that situation, changing settings on your phone will not necessarily fix it. So the key checks are your internet connection, the latest Blackout Bingo update, and whether the error follows you across different networks. Your next step is to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and launch Blackout Bingo again. That immediately tells you whether to troubleshoot your connection or the app itself. If this fixed the server error, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.